The channel at Stroud Loud is for documentary and educational purposes. It is intended for the adult California viewer. We do not sell, trade, or supply any cannabis products. The use of cannabis is legal in the state of California.
Let the world know Stroud Loud is here to set the tone, organically grown and true down to the bone. Follow and subscribe to help us thrive. There is peace in growing.
Well, folks, I am still here. The one thing YouTube cannot take away from me is my lovely garden. And you know, the best medicine for me to get all this BS out of my head on what YouTube is putting me through is to spend a little time in the garden. But I'm sure you didn't come here to look to see how nice Mama Stroud's flowers are coming. What we're interested in looking at is seeing how the Stroud Loud garden is doing. I'm really impressed with these plants this year because they've come through a lot. If you remember back in the early days, we almost lost one of them, and actually all of them were in jeopardy. But you would not be able to tell that by now. But in mapping my plants this year compared to last year, I can definitely see that I'm about a week or two behind the growth size of last year, and that's just simply because I had that little crisis early on. But these plants are very forgiving. That's the beauty about a photoperiod plant compared to an autoflower plant. With photoperiods, they have time to bounce back, and they are very forgiving, and they're very loving, and their whole purpose is just to veg out for as long as they can. And when they sense that the hours of daylight are shortening up, they go into flower. But these girls are looking fantastic. I'm so blessed with this crop this year. I think they're all going to do well. And look at here. Now, this is my LSD plant. I can't believe this girl. I think she's even going into flower. She's definitely in the pre-flower stage. But this was the girl that we truly almost lost. This is such an incredible strain, but it's doing remarkable now. And here we have a newly developing ladybug. She doesn't even have her black spots on her. But truly, this LSD plant has surprised me. She's remarkable. But I want you to notice these spots here, because at the end of this video, we're going to see what stretching's all about on a cannabis plant.
There is peace in growing, comfort in this living soil. In my little corner, backyard roots in loyal coils. That sweet, sticky smell just hangs in the air a while. Big flowers all around me, and it all just makes me smile. Early morning sun, the smell of coffee brewing, enjoying my home office while others are still snoozing. I am grateful for maturing to an age where a commute is no longer looming. My forever smile is here without ever a fear. Wake and baked, the sun pours through my window as the ganja smoke dances in the rays of sun. Looking like it is having fun. So easy to be thankful for the home I have. Every day I feel blessed to see how this lifelong journey has progressed. It's brought me here, right now. Wake and bake. Planning my day to have no plan. friends, enjoying all the options at hand. I finally reached the age where I can follow my bliss and be as I am. I am learning the importance of living in the now, enjoying the coffee and telling you how to grow your own cannabis at home. And here is how. Strode loud.